what can a consumer expect with the technicians? Are there it's not just kind of an everyday handyman who knows how to fix cars, and
right.
they're certified technicians, and what are the standards,
right? And are they bringing their own everything that they need, all these sensors to diagnose the vehicle? Like, is that all brought with them?
Yeah. So our technicians are on different levels. They're obviously, in any industry, there are certain technicians that can do a certain set of jobs that other technicians cannot. Like, for example, if you have, like I said, that late model European car, I'm not going to send the Toyota mechanic out because they may not have the bandwidth and the knowledge that the person that for the Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar would have. As well as the scan tools and stuff that are now available for those vehicles. It used to be super proprietary, where you had to take it to the dealer because they kept that stuff under lock and key. And now it's pretty much where you can get a $15 to $20 dongle from Amazon.
That's a game changer.
Later on today, and download a program and be able to do anything on the computer. There is, it's not just like, out there, but it's out there. I mean, you'd have to search it out. Maybe there's some paid programs or whatever, but a lot of the mechanics we have that are, for example, the higher end stuff, they have that. They have access to that. But getting back to the original point, our guys come out. If you book your car, the guy who comes out, or the little lady, we're going to keep it there. Because we have female mechanics too, which is pretty awesome.
Mm-hmm.
They'll come out and they are not certified, but qualified for your car. Meaning that, let's say it's a Toyota Camry. The person who goes out there either worked at a Toyota dealership, went to a mechanics institute that had Toyota certification, so many years at an independent shop, whatever, that specialized in Japanese cars. So that person who gets to your car, they've had hands on that car before.